This can be quite tricky, not just with installation, but with the battery size as well. So I'll show you a step-by-step battery replacement with the tools you need and what to look for when sourcing a battery. The first step is to remove the airbox, so disconnect this plug here. Pull the red tab up to unlock and then wiggle the connector off. You can also detach the harness from the intake to make it easier. Next, we'll disconnect the intake pipe with one of these two clamps, whichever works for you. The airbox can now be removed by pulling it upwards. Now it's normally safer to disconnect the negative terminal first, and there's more info in this video link on the screen. But due to the location of this one, we're going to disconnect the positive first. Then lift this front cover while pushing the sides outward to move it out of the way. Next is this bracket on top with a nut on each side. Now the battery can be moved forward to disconnect the negative terminal. The new battery needs to be a specific height to fit, so I'll share the specs a bit later. For now, start the installation in the reverse order with the negative terminal first. Use a flat screwdriver to extend the clamp to get it as low as possible on the battery post for a solid connection. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Install the bracket before connecting the positive terminal. Now the airbox can go back. These are the mounting holes if you were wondering. Then lastly, tighten the clamps and fit the connector for the airflow sensor. On this model, you'll need a battery that doesn't exceed 175 mm in height. For these dimensions, it should be in the 60 amp hour range and preferably an enhanced flooded battery. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.